Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can clean the ground coffee inlet in the coffee maker ZELMER Maestro Barista. So in the first step, unplug your appliance from the electricity. Then remove the brewing unit. If you're curious how you can remove the brewing unit, you can find the other video on our channel. It's very simple. So remove the brewing unit first. In the next step, let's open the ground coffee compartment lid and clean it with the brush that you should find the accessories of your appliance. Clean it from the coffee powder and close the top. Now insert back the brewing unit push it until you see the click sound. It's very important. And close the compartment. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.